Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Noury, oral and maxillofacial surgery specialist from Cairo, Egypt. Join me this November in ICAD 2022. I will be giving 2 lectures. The first one is going to be on my 3-point lip technique, and the second lecture is going to be on the lip repositioning surgery for treatment of gummy smile. I will be also doing a live show on 2 different cases of gummy smile on how to treat them using neuromodulators. So the best thing about this congress is that it is gonna gather all the international experts from all over the world to speak about their own signature techniques and to speak on the latest aesthetic treatments using both international and Asian style. So join me this November in ICAD 2022 in Bangkok, Thailand. See ya!